In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the Gmail preview panel, a feature that can greatly enhance your email management experience by allowing you to view emails without having to open them fully. This can be particularly useful if you're someone who receives a lot of emails daily and wants to process them more efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Gmail on your computer. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a familiar gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on this icon to bring up the Quick Settings menu. Once the Quick Settings menu appears, you'll notice an option labeled See All Settings. Click on this to navigate to the full settings page, where you have access to a wider range of options to customize your Gmail interface. Now that you're on the settings page, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the one labeled Inbox to access features related to the layout and functionality of your inbox. As you scroll down through the inbox settings, keep an eye out for a section titled Reading Pane. This is the area where you can activate and customize the preview panel feature that we're aiming for today. To enable the preview panel, find the checkbox next to Enable Reading Pane and make sure it's checked. This action will turn on the feature, but you aren't done yet. There are layout options to consider for how you want your preview panel to appear. In the split pane mode options, you'll have two choices, right of inbox or below inbox. If you select right of inbox, your emails will appear in a vertical split next to the list of messages. Choosing below inbox will give you a horizontal split with the email preview appearing beneath your message list. Choose whichever layout you feel will best suit your workflow and screen dimensions. Finally, to make sure all these changes take effect, you need to scroll to the very bottom of the page. There you'll find the Save Changes button. Click this and your new settings will be applied. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on and customized the Gmail preview panel. This feature should now help you streamline the process of going through emails, allowing for a quicker and more organized email management experience. Feel free to experiment with these settings to find out what works best for you, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps if you need to adjust anything in the future. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.